have to take in a word from Priyank, who is the NCPCR chief. Mr. Priyank Kanungu, you know, shocking details have emerged as far as this rape incident is concerned, and thousands taking to streets, so many women out on the streets to protest against what's happened in Odisha. We've been picking up reactions from some of the BJP leaders there, and yes, everyone is saying that this is baffling, that the Chief Minister has so far not taken any action against the accused.
Because we have received a complaint from one activist group named Kalinga Rights Forum, and they have alleged that two ministers of the state government are involved in some kind of sexual exploitation of children studying in the schools. We have sought an action taken report after due investigation from Superintendent of Police of Balangir within 5 days. We have issued this notice on 22nd. We will wait till 27th. After that, if they don't send any satisfactory answer to commission, we will send a team to inquire into the case at Balangir.
All right. And you've also asked Odisha police to probe the alleged sexual exploitation of students in the school, where the teacher also was found murdered. But what is it that the police is saying at the moment?
We have sought an action taken report from Superintendent of Police of Balangir. In this report, we asked him to submit copy of FIR, copy of MLR, copy of statements, any order of CWC in that case, action taken against the accused, how many girls, boys are studying in the school, whether involvement of school authorities was found in the case, action taken against the accused, age of boys and girls who were sexually exploited. So we have sought a detailed action taken report and after due investigation from Superintendent of Police.
All right. And this after, of course, the NCPCR is deciding to act and has taken cognizance of the matter after Delhi-based activist group filed a complaint against the alleged sex racket being operated in this particular school in Odisha itself. Mr. Priyank, as far as this case is concerned, what are the details that have come to light, and what is it that has been told as far as the complainant is concerned? What is the proof that is being given to you at the moment, and given the fact that, you know, we are picking up several voices from Odisha itself of ministers, politicians, activists, but on ground, if we go by the complaints solely, what is it that you've been told so far?
The complainant has told us that the school authorities were having very thick relations with some of the ministers in Odisha state government, and ministers were used to visit the schools by choppers and used to visit schools often. So that's why we have asked this report. We have taken cognizance. If we didn't get any satisfactory report in 5 days' time, we will send a team to Balangir to interact with the students of the school and inquire into the incident.
All right. So if you do need more details, you are also likely to send across a team to really understand the situation on ground in detail. Thank you, Mr. Priyank, the NCPCR chief, there for speaking to us.